Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Ask the Nerd. I want to take a second and drill down and show you guys this new thing that's changed in Facebook, and it's the whole idea of see first. They've changed it just a little bit, but for the most part, it works the same way. And so some folks have been asking me, hey, where did the see first function go? So let me show you. First off, I'm going to hit the three lines on the bottom of the screen there, and I click those three lines. It brings up all this stuff. I'm going to bring up my friends list, and I'm going to click all friends. From inside of here, I'm going to pick one of my friends, and inside of one of my friends' page, I can go in here and click the three dots that just moved up to the top beside message. And on the three dots, you can follow, see friendship, whatever. If you click follow and it says following, click it again, and it's going to give you this, and you can click favorites. When you click favorites, it's going to put it up at the top of your feed. And so here's the thing that's going to happen. You've got like around 30 folks that you're going to favorite, and those people are going to be featured at the top of your news feed before anybody else when they have new content. So here's the thing, for a lot of us, when we're working with clients or we're engaging with people that are prospects, we'll go in and we'll click and choose them. So just imagine you go to the three dots, click friends, see all friends, and then you follow some of those folks. So that person's a prospect. You click those three dots, you go in, you add them to favorites. And it's really that simple. But that's what they've done. And the why for doing this is because it's going to help you engage their stuff better. Remember, people's Facebook isn't automatically going to the top of people's news feeds just because they're putting new content. It really takes a little work to be able to see folks. So you're going to either need to put them in your see first or favorites now, or you're going to have to go to their actual timeline to engage their posts until Facebook creates a relationship with you and starts putting it up in the top of your news feed. So the folks are in the top of your news feeds. Guys, that's going to be the people you interact with the most. But anyways, with that said, that's it for today. And I just want to say thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic and Ask the Nerd again. And we got the new app out. Go get it. Give us a thumbs up or a like and some love and a comment here if you really enjoyed this video, as well as share it to your friends. Let other folks know about what we're doing. And then, of course, ask your questions so we can do tutorials. Again, thanks for reaching out and be a part of Nerd Chic. Y'all have a great day.